Today is the day I had to make my first YouTube video. I was casually chatting with ChatGPT, this new AI you all know from Twitter or from the news, which is apparently very good. And as I was chatting, I thought to myself, this is way too hard to get to. I have to open a browser, go to the website, log me in, and ask my question. And wouldn't it be nice if it were more accessible? More like, let's say, GitHub Copilot, for example. GitHub Copilot sits in your IDE right next to your code, and if you type something, it will autocomplete, or at least it will try to, what it thinks you want to do. So, couldn't we integrate this better into macOS itself, like Copilot? To show you the awesome tool that I have found, I will go to my screen share, and I think most of you know Alfred, this awesome search engine for your Mac. You can press a hotkey. For me it is Command and Spacebar. And then you can enter any search request you have for your, on your local PC or in the internet. For example, Google our sun, and you get the search results back. So I thought, wouldn't it be great to have this power also for ChatGPT, because we have a prompt here, we can enter some command or some question, and this command gets directly answered by ChatGPT. So then I went into the workflows section of the Alfred website, and it says, yeah, this page is currently overhauled, but we can go to the Alfred forum and search there. So I did this, and when you type ChatGPT here, it directly comes up with some workflows which integrate ChatGPT with Alfred. And I found this one here from ilmonito, which is very simple. You only have to do these 4 steps. So you go to this GitHub page with the ChatGPT-Mac app, which is a very awesome app, which installs ChatGPT as a menu bar app on your MacBook. You see it here in the screenshot. I have already done this, so you simply have to download the DMG file for either your Intel or your ARM Mac. And then when you installed it, you have it sitting here right in your menu bar. You've seen I've already done a query there. And when you've installed ChatGPT, you can go back to this Alfred forum post and download this workflow. And then you get a workflow file, which you can simply double tap and it will install it in your Alfred. And the awesome part here is now I can go to my Alfred and type ask, and you see it will detect the workflow, the Alfred workflow, and now you can enter any prompt for ChatGPT. So, for example, how hot is the sun? And it will enter it and gets us the answer. Yeah, this was the simple trick I wanted to show you. If you liked the video, please push that button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Don't roast me too hard. This is my first video here. And have fun playing with ChatGPT.